We're going to start from the front page, okay? Sum is addition, and 9, and this, sorry, not 9, 9, and a number we want to call x. 15 is 15, decreased is minus, and then p is just p. 15 less than p, now really careful with this because that's a turnaround, so it's 15 minus p, but we're going to change that to p minus 15, okay, because this word here is a turnaround word. 9 added to a number x, 9 added is plus, and a number x. Product is multiplication, right? We're multiplying 9 and the variable x. Right, so pretty straightforward here. 15 divided by p. 15 divided by p. 3 minus g, we can just write 3 minus, minus g. Here, g minus 3, we can write a 3 less than g. Remember, it's a turnaround word, so that's going to turn around, right? So 3 is close to the, okay. Sorry, turn around, 3 less than g. So if we put this is 3, less than is minus, and then g over here, you know that this is going to switch, right? That's going to go to the back. This is going to the front, so we get g minus 3, which is that one. 15 multiplied by a letter p, or a number p, by p. Okay, the product of 15 and p. Here we can write the quotient of 9 and x, or 9 divided by x. It's really up to you. So here this one is 3. Now let me change that. So again, the product, let me use that. The product of 3 and g. 15 more than a number. Okay, so we can use all of those. Last one, oh, there's it. Next page. Ooh, 5 more. So 5 more than, 5 more than, twice a number, times a number. 5 divided, oops, so we gotta go back here. No, it's not. 5 divided by twice a number. Twice a number. Next one over here, I'm going to put 2 times, 2 times a number, n, decreased, right? Decreased by 5. Add 6, so add, we're going to add is addition. Who are we adding, right? Add 6. The other one is 7 times y. Subtract here, subtract 6 from, so subtract from is a turnaround word. So actually we're going to subtract 6 minus 7 times y, and then we're going to switch it, right? Change 7y minus 6, because this is going to be backwards because it's subtract from. 4 times the sum. Who are we multiplying? 3, right? Oh, sorry, the sum. Who are we adding? 3 and w. So 4 times the sum of 3 and w, and we'll have to put this in parentheses. All right, so many. Okay, so let's see the first one. The product of 3, and I'm just going to write 3, and w, comma, plus 4. 30 divided by the 30 divided by, again, you can use product of 7 and n, or 30 divided by 7 times n. This is, again, product. There's a multiplication here, so we can say 30 times 7 times n, because there's a multiplication there. There's a multiplication there, so we can do that. 7n, the difference, so let's use a difference. The difference, right? The difference, here's the difference, of 7 times n, comma, and 30. Next one, twice. We can use twice, right? Twice. Here's twice the sum of n and 5. Right? Last one, let's use 3 less than the product of 4 and a number. Okay. I think the last page. Okay, so this one's a little bit harder. Well, just longer. So 4 times, so let's start with 4 times the sum of 2 and y. So put that in parentheses. 4 times the sum and y plus, and then we have a plus here, plus the product of 6 and w. So that would look like this. 4. Okay. Second one, 4 minus 4 minus the product of 6 and y, 6 and y, right, times, and then 4 minus the product of 6 and y, and then plus 2. The product, again, multiplication, the product of 6 and w, 6 and w, subtracted from the sum of y and 2. But because this is a turnaround, right, subtracted from is a turnaround, we're going to change that. Y plus 2, and then minus 6w. So that's going to change. Next one, 4 less than is subtraction. The sum, did I just do that? Yes, I just did that. So what's the next one? 6 more than twice a number and y. Next one, the product's multiplication of 4 and w divided by the sum of 6 and y. 6 plus y. You don't have to be too complicated. You can be very simple if you like to use. So, okay, 6 plus the product of 2 and y. Let's see, the sum of 2 and y plus, or no, sorry, times, multiplied by the sum of 4 and w. Okay. 4 times the difference of 6 and y, comma, plus 2. Next one is a decimal. Okay. 6 and 2/10. All right, that's this number right here. You're not going to write 6.2. 6 and 2/10 times, right? There's a multiplication here. Times the difference of 4 and y. In parentheses, let's do the parentheses first. The product, something right here. The product of 2 and w, comma, divided by 4, and then subtract 6. Last one. I'm going to put it over here. Again, the product of 4 and y plus 2, comma, divided by 6 and 2/10. Okay, so the last page was a little bit more difficult, but I think you can do it.